Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being wise. Now I'm starting to get some gray hair on my head. Does that mean I'm starting to get more wise? Either way, let's get into this painting. So when I was coming up with this idea for this piece, I was really trying to decide if I wanted to do a portrait of a wizard or of an owl. And I had to go with the owl. Even though wizards have wisdom, I always feel like the first thing I think of when someone says the word wisdom is an owl. That, and I am always down to do a painting of a bird. With this one, I decided to go slightly more abstract in the rendering of the piece and play with a little bit more colorful feather design. But I am going to be quiet, let you guys enjoy this last bit of this painting, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word wise. Now I really like this piece, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Also, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. Also, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!